Hi guys, my name is Chris from MC Media. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a new document using Photoshop 2020. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, MC Media, and don't forget to hit the notification button as well so you can see other videos that we are going to be uploading on our channel. Alright, let's get started. To create a new document in Photoshop 2020, just come to this area here. You can see create new, or you can also go to the menu and hit new. So I always like to use this particular one, create new, because it's the fastest. So once the interface is open, I just hit this create here, create new. When I hit this, you can see this window popping up here. So you have many presets, many saved presets already. So you can see photo, print, ads, web, and all of that. So if you're a photographer and you want to work with a particular project, it's according to what you are working with, if it is a landscape or portrait, on all of that. So anyone you want to work with, if the size is here, so you can just go ahead and choose your size, the preset from this preset here. But if yours is not here and you just need to customize it, so then you just come back to this side and just click on this area here to customize it. But before you start up your project, of course you have to start with the name. So let's just name this tutorial, right? Tutorial. Then you have to choose the size. So let's see, for example, if I want to create a square, so I just leave the two sides like this, 100. So coming to this side, depends on the unit you want to use. You want to use this pixel, inches, or anyone you want to use, but I always like to use this centimeter here. So this resolution is according to the project you are working with, right? So that's for a clear resolution. I always like to keep it 300. Just like I said, is according to your project, so you don't have to worry about that. And if you are working with it and you still see that the project is not that clean enough, like very clear, so when you are working, you still have option over there to change the resolution later when you are still working in a project. So don't worry about that. Now this side here is the color mode. So if what you are working with is just a soft copy purpose, so you just have to leave it like this. I mean, if you don't want to print it, so you leave it to RGB color. But if you want to print with a printable work, then you have to choose CMYK color. Can you see that? CMYK. So then let's come to this area here where you are going to choose your background, the background you want to work with. Don't worry about that as well. You can see it properly. So that's right here. You can see is on white already, or if you want black, you choose on black. You can see it has changed to black. When I come to this side as well, background color, then you have to customize your color, any kind of color you want. If you want red, you can see red, so you can twist this, any color you want. You come here, you choose. So once you are going up or down, so just for you to choose the right color for your own project. So let's choose blue, for example, then hit OK. So blue will come, and then this color profile just have to leave it like this, square pixel. Then when you finish setting up this particular area, you just go ahead and create. Just hit create here, and automatically our projects have started already. So let me know what you think about this particular tutorial. If this was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you can see other videos from MC Media. See you in the next video.